Did you know you can leverage Copilot to provide suggestions on copy that you're drafting in an email? To begin, select New Mail, or you can open an email you've received and select Reply or Forward and compose a message that is at least 100 characters long. Now, at this time, the writing coach is not available for shorter messages. With your copy drafted, you can choose Copilot and then select Coaching by Copilot. Your writer's coach will analyze what you've written and provide suggestions for you in 3 areas. First, it's going to look at the tone of the message, which analyzes the general mood or style of the writing. Is it formal? Is it friendly? Is it assertive? And the writer's coach is going to help you align the tone with your intended audience. Next, it will check for sentiment, which is all about the emotional undercurrent of your writing, meaning is it positive, neutral, or negative? And it's going to provide advice to ensure the words that you're writing convey a specific feeling or attitude. Lastly, it's going to look at clarity to help you get to the point. It's going to provide suggestions that focus on making sure your message is communicated clearly in a straightforward and understandable way, avoiding any unnecessary complexity. You can make the updates suggested to you by Copilot if you like them. If you have made any updates, you can select Regenerate to have Copilot reanalyze the email and provide any additional suggestions. Now, you can close the writer's coach by selecting the X, but this is not a mandatory step. Copilot can remain open while you finish up your draft. And by that, I mean adding a subject and recipients to your email and choosing Send. Now, if I can speak honestly, I will admit that sometimes I do open a new email and leverage the power of Writer's Coach when I'm drafting Word documents or I need copy for a PowerPoint presentation. Sometimes I'll even use it if I have an important chat message or a post in Teams that has a lot of content that I need to put forward for collaboration. Writer's Coach is like having a copy editor available for me whenever I need to draft important written messages. So if you have Copilot, start leveraging this tool today.